Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and grow the platform. See? Now, I want to say more than that, Sandy Rogers, more than like the platform, you understand what I say? She make her contribution through the Cash App still. The Cash App in the description. So if any of the item, see the need, like if the platform is worthwhile, if the contents are worth it, you don't know. Just do what you can. See, it help I for focus and it help I make I feel you don't know, make up. You see it? Like, yeah. See it? So I give thanks even in advance. See? Now, big up yourself against Sandy Rogers, Cadian Graham, Trish Newman, all of the ones them. You see, now if I go manage to call your name, see, if you give a contribution or anything like that, you say your name, because in most cases, your name is not your YouTube name. And obviously, if you did want your name on YouTube, you wouldn't use a moniker. See it? So that's why enough time. But I'm always try to send back a thumbs up or something like that. So reach out to her and make her know say at the eye man. See, cause I mean it nice to give the eye the big up where the eye them deserve same speed. See. Now in a recent time this dunce phenomena take over the society to a degree, the ghetto part of the society. See, come no uptown people, picnic and carry them argument, they come in at them house. No day, no time. See? Now we put fire upon Bounty Killer attitude the other day towards Merciless funeral and thing like that. We big him up before, we burn certain things we him do after, and him do that, and we burn him same way, because the platform is in the interest of righteousness and truth, we not really, and we have one opinion, again, regarding anything, anybody, see, politicians, they're more serious and can be more brutal than Bounty Killer ever will. See it, but still we burn them same way. We're a business. See it, I just saw the thing said. See? And anyway, whenever we hear truth and rights and righteousness, we have to echo it. We can't go on like say we want to be, like we're up on a sideline or it's personal. See it, because that would I love everybody start. No. See? Now, my brethren, I just start do it up and thing, film way, and thing like that. So what I'm gonna do is play a little bit of what I just start say, and then we can hear the Bounty Killer speech. See it? And then after that, I'm gonna get in it and give them opinion and disappointment and disapproval regarding not Bounty Killer and Bounty Killer speech, regarding the whole atmosphere and the people them who have influence and things like that. So make we hear where I just start. I said a little bit where him have to say and a little part of him speech and then we hear what Bounty Killer say quickly. Or we have to do that still for make I just start. You don't know. Big up I just start. Anyway, my brother. See, enough respect. Big up yourself, Jaboni. See, yeah, go on do your thing, go on do your work. Yes, I. And Jafira in America, yeah, is a virgin where I daily did, and we give thanks.
It's okay to be dunce and illiterate, and trust me, youths, trust me, it is not okay to be dunce and illiterate, because may I tell you, you will find yourself in a position where you wish if you did focus on your education and getting, your grades and your subject. So, when you leave out of schooling, then you're able, to stand on your 2 feet. You don't become a menace to society. You understand? You stand on your 2 feet and you make yourself be counted as someone positive. You know what I mean? As a part of society. But this dunce thing only lead to criminality. See? It only lead to prostitution and all of them something there. See, women sell them body, man sell them body, people sell them soul, because half of the people is dunce and illiterate. See, and listen, we need the youth them to focus, see, and getting good grades, getting good subject, see, and finish their schooling. You know what I mean? Yes, I. So, let me just drop this little clip from The Killer again, and the item can reason with me in the comment section and let me know your views, your thoughts, and what's been said today. Mindset, manners, and respect.
This society, we don't like how it looking. You see this little stupid thing going go on about guns. Oh no, listen. Once it's dance is something fancy. You can attack all your guns. You know what guns mean? You know what guns mean? You know what's going to get in your face in the sky people don't stop when you're at school? You know the guns what I want to be biggest stinking ready to net. Yeah, hey, that yellow boy. And boom, quick up your shoulder up. Every carry that holy shovel. And then you work in the beat like a bus. We don't even have hers. Hit your off each other. When he said, I want to put them deep tonight, you know, I'm the same from myself.
Yeah, I. Bounty Killer speech that towards the dunce. But from long time still Bounty Killer always promote literacy and higher learning and things like that. I will give thanks to that. Now, enough of the item, I do badness and them sort of thing there, whatever I do, with the intention so I go foreign, because you want to go foreign, you know? Foreign are the escape route. We not take that from no man, we not deny that. See, but you want me now, here where the thing not add up, the thing get crooked and twisted. You see, you have a relative, a girl, a man, or whatever, a foreign, we help you out somewhat and giving the illusion, say it's a better rose of foreign. Let me tell you that, so you come a foreign, you trap. In a feed them system, if a them you come monks. You know, see, I want to say feed them system, feed them rules and regulations, feed them expectations and demands. By you. Some things, you see some nature where you never see when them come to Jamaica come visit you. Nah, you know, hear it when you talk to them on the phone. You know, see it in them picture now in them video. You know, see, the reality is far different. It's a manipulated version of what foreign is people send come show and telling about. It's terrible over here. You know, see, first thing, when you come, you can't tell a man say you're dunce. And if you're dunce, you become stagnant for a man, a woman, a girl, a boy, or a child. You can't do nothing because when you go out in Babylon, most of where you can't read and write. In a lot of cases, you're going to get a computer in front of you where you have to read what go on pan it and that's where you work from. You know, see, so this dunce irrelevant idiot argument and narrative we not push definitely not go nowhere. We not have to stay at Jamaica with that. Because somebody feel like you can't come up and come tell about a dunce I do it. We did say a dunce I did it and we did at Jamaica. So we not do it now. You can't come tell the system. First, for you reach an airport, no matter how if you can't read and write, you could have to turn back. You know, see it? Because they don't want nobody where I can be no burden upon them system. You have to show certain skills, potential, and things like that. Just a part of the acceptance that for coming in the country. You know, see, any nation where you go in, I'm going to look at your people, them where you go, supposed to, must can have a certain, have the criteria higher when you're done, just to come in. You know, see, and the next thing again, how you going to work? Who you going to work for? What kind of work you going to do? You not plan for to take care of yourself. I even give back some benefit to the people them where send for you bring you come and foreign. You not plan that. What you intend to come do? Sit down. You know, common sense tell you say You go abroad, it's a more developed, a more advanced nation and things like that. And so much as them invest in education amongst them people, amongst the society. No matter how poor you is, education, getting certain education is not. Yes, you have a pay for it, but you don't know what, they will trust you it. As a citizen, then we trust you the education and make you go work and pay for it. Care how long it take. You know, see it? Yeah, so them invest in education and higher learning and something where them embrace and encourage this dunce talk. And Jamaica alone, the whole society in the world, we accept them sort of sitting there as being normal. The people them with a microphone. Dirty dreadlocks boy. Nasty junker when I want Kobe rascal here. Rent a dread boy. Uno make Bounty Killer say this. Uno sit down and make Bounty Killer say this. This show me say rent a dread on a blood clot is, you know. Even if I feel the music industry, uno sell on services too. On a nasty blood clot, you know. And the wickedest thing about that is it's established the type of criteria and the demands where the music industry have pan people where are coming at it, or people where want advance it to a certain degree. People where procreate themselves according to the norm or the expectations of the popular labels and things like that. We hear about the party them, you know. We hear about them sort of thing there, you know, dirty renter dread bumper hole, you know. Bounty Killer, you have to make come say that the whole I want to sit back and I enjoy the fuck we are going like you know dumb. And I sing some little dumb song too. We are enable this nature here on the street, in the society. We are supposed to more than anybody else have a responsible for the development, the higher learning, the greater achievement of the black race. So this is what Rasta is about. No one can call yourself Rasta in my blood clot, but Jedi. Rent a bumbo clot. You think we are here? I think you come trick we? Eh? And now I hear someone want to take the mic and say nothing like this. Nothing like this. Nothing close to this. It's a few seconds. What a talking Bounty Killer do, Rasta. And it far more impactful than any fucker I'm seeing if I want to come chat for the past 4 or 5 years. Or probably more. You know, see it? Uno come like say, uno dunce and dumb more than even the youth them out there, the other DJ them where promote them something because rather than uno hold a standard, draw a borderline and hold a standard, or maintain the standard that was set, no found no go on like uno want double. In the dunce talk and the dunce argument, no found no double in a long time too. You know, see it and it get worse and worse and on the one side I lick on a nasty blood clot, licky lip. You know, see it. And I prepare for no input in the dunce thing too. You know, see it. Within a long lack span, no other way upon some bumbo clot foreign people for love for no. Because we know the adoration of foreign people are for Rasta. So we infiltrate the group and all fight down all the righteous one them because them they have no platform, because some of them don't have the nature to verbalize what them try to say, articulate what them want to say, or them complain, or disregard, disquiet, disagreement with someone who know. Because you know have a bad man friend them too, where you know buy gun and shot. And that's why no found no say nothing about it, because you know if you buy gun and shot, give them youth here and I encourage the fuck rate. We know them thing there. Who no think on a trick? Dready. No found no just call Rastafari name just as a prop. Just to maintain our enable on a dirty agenda. You see it? I no stupid. And them thing I observe. You see it? It shouldn't take I when they are abroad to say them thing with I little beanie platform where I have. No for who have bigger exposure, more connection, no more youth. I listen to enough for who than I. Never hear you come with nothing like them sort of speech of a Bounty Killer make you rather jump on stage and love up and encourage or go on like and ignore the freaking sin. It's the silence of the righteousness that enable the wickedness for triumph. You see it? Enough, I want to sit down there go and want to think, afraid or afraid, go trim your blood clot, nasty, dirty head. Go trim your head, dirty, lazy boy. When I want to comb your ass clot head. You know, see it? Enough, I want to go. When you worthless, no blood clot, and think them thing are acceptable, Rasta. You know, long Rasta for you burn out them thing, and no man now get hurt. But a big belly blood clot, big gut, wanga gut boy, I watch the food. And no found rich already. Sing one song, one stage show a year, and no found far 10 times better off than what it was before no venture in the music, Rasta. Yet you know make ends amount of dollars on a tour. And I get too much royalty. And still, I watch riches. I see who can get richer than who and who better off than who and who want to drive Benz. I want to be what kind of song you want to record in a Rasta. We attack these opportunities when you can get to connect and look in a youth and youth eyes and say, this dunce thing are fuckery. You know, see it? These are the opportunities where we are talking about when the founder when you no take. Probably one youth. And then again, I be a suck pussy and batty highway and lick out pan, really. Me not tell a lie. Boy, I'm the only youth who try connect and instill certain things in the youth them. You know see it? Highway and you can't stop batty from fuck and pussy from suck highway. And I better y'all tell the youth them thing. No disrespect, me not tell you say ever stop, do it. But this is more valuable and relevant and necessary. Rasta. Remember, you know, Sodom and Gomorrah, and them still blood clot there, Rasta. Remember, God, who no say try burn them out, they say, you know, Rasta, and them still there. Certain things is more necessary. This dunce argument, Rasta, you can't sit down there and give thanks to Bounty Killer for say, because somebody needed to. You know, see it? And the thing about it is that more than likely you're going to say, Bounty Killer say something because it's within his nature for him just start, regardless of him still sing some song where you know, but otherwise I know what you can consider if film song them as some entertainment sort of property. You know, see, them still have them effect, but man do that out of ignorance, not knowing probably the power of music, or the power of music in its entirety. You know, see, but the fact is him still take time out, time after time and encourage the youth them and advise them against certain things. Where the Rasta cup with the dreadlocks blood clot community I deal with, I will and you may call dreadlocks. Yeah, Rasta youth. You know, see it? Yeah, Rasta youth. We don't have no doubt about that. We don't have no problem with that. But we have mostly some dirty blood clot nasty boy. When I like comb. No, we don't like comb. Not even balling no like comb. Because I don't know how Babylon make that wicked thing there. If you draw to such a tender place by your body, Rasta. It's like somebody say, when you wash your balls, you have to sap it. And I say you wash balls. Yeah, and that come out same, not come like the same thing, Rasta. You see it? But them boy, them not have nothing to do with the Rasta. Them idiot, them infidel, them traitor, infiltrator. Now have nothing to do with the Rasta. Yes, them would have see them thing here. As soon as they get a microphone or a talkaphone in your hand, Rasta, you don't make reference to the nature of affairs, to the degrading way in which the youth them are transformed. Somebody would have, I know none of the blood clot guy them to do it because them are buy gun and shot. Them are buy gun and shot. You see it? Yeah, and licking out against certain things, now I'm going to help them to get rich. Need I say no more? You know, see it. Feature the cash up in the description section. You don't know. You know, see it. You know, but YouTube not encourage it. YouTube not encourage where we are going with this. So believe you me. And if we debate that one of them day, you don't know a cycle, but we are telling you, we keep saying that from a longer while still. You know, see it. So we need the encouragement. You know, see it. Bills have to pay. You know, see it. We give thanks. Rastafari.